chasing geese! Jody, just walk up really fast. Jody!
I'm communicating with them.
No, I think they're running away.
She's communicating that they should commit suicide. That's what she's communicating.
See you later, guys.
That's it? What, you mean?
Okay, Jody. Leave him alone. Jody. Jody,